Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Vercel environment variables not working on Vercel in 2026. So if your app is crashing, showing undefined values, or your API keys are not loading, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, open your Vercel dashboard and go to your project settings. Then click on the environment variables section and check if your variables are actually added correctly. Next, make sure the variable names are exactly the same as in your code. Even a small typo or wrong capitalization can break everything. Now check the environment scope. Make sure you added variables for production, preview, or development depending on where your project is running. Next, redeploy your project after adding or updating variables. Vercel does not always apply changes automatically, so redeploy is important. Now go to your code and confirm you are using the correct prefix if needed, like process.n for node projects or framework-specific syntax. Next, check if your framework is loading environment variables at build time. Some frameworks require restart or rebuild to apply changes. Now clear cache and redeploy again if the issue still exists, because old builds may still be running with missing values. Also verify that sensitive values like API keys are not empty or accidentally deleted in Vercel settings. Finally, open your deployed site and test the functionality again to confirm everything is working properly. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Vercel environment variable issues. Now your app should load all configs without errors. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.